Hello everyone. This is a short video regarding the philosophy behind the core program 2026, which is an esteemed program of Insight IAS which has consistently yielded the results year by year. Right now, to understand this with me, I have Ashish sir, who deals with the intensive bridge course GS3 paper on a single handedly, and he has also takes the geography optional along with teaching the environment for OGP students. Now, under his guidance, many students has been cleared the examination successfully. So I just want to know, right, what is the traits these successful students or aspirants when you are studying about him has, which makes them different from others who could not success even after putting a lot of hard work. Ashish sir, I welcome you to the podcast. First question is first, what is the traits, what is the secret?
Thank you, Aditya sir, for inviting me to this podcast. So, sir, looking backwards towards the journey of many successful aspirants, what I have noticed is that these aspirants have basically meticulously prepared with the right roadmap and right strategy. Now, question is, what is that? First thing to first, they know that the preparation of civil services is a mains come prelims journey, not prelims come mains. This is the first point. Secondly, these aspirants have committed a lot of mistakes in their first initial days. Second point, sir, these aspirants have committed a lot of mistakes in their initial journey, from where they have learned a lot of things, where they have regularly improvised upon those mistakes and they inculcated those things in their preparation. Thirdly, they know the syllabus intricacies in detail, sir. They have tip of the tongue the syllabus in detail of GS paper 1 to 4 and optional also. Fourthly, they give due importance to the essay, ethics, and current affairs, where they will not go into too much deep also, but they will know what is required and that much only they are going to do. Fourthly, most important is they have every point of the syllabus, they are having their own handwritten notes, which they have meticulously revised it for multiple times. Fifthly, in the recent times, I've seen the students making use of the AI, Chat GPT, very, I would say, in a right manner, where they have reduced their time period and increased their efficiency. So, if you are knowing the syllabus, preparing your so-called as notes, understanding the demand of the topic, every subject, every theme, and depend upon that integrating the current affairs and revising it multiple times with lot of answer writing practice and lot of MCQ solving, definitely these aspirants in the past have cleared their examination very comfortably, sir. So this is what is my experiences. So they know all this game. So from first day only, they will start with mains. They prepare the notes. They'll do the value addition, and they will revise a lot and they will write a lot. So this is very simple formula which they know. They'll not try to take a lot of shortcuts. They will go straight forward, sir. This is what I feel. To get into that holy PDF, you have to do all these things meticulously in a consistent manner. However, despite speaking this, sir, many of the students who have prepared very well for the mains, they stuck down into prelims. This is what is my experience. So here comes the role of the prelims expert guidance. And at the same time, you also need the guidance of the mains person. So in this context, we have devised this core program. Not now, it has been a successful story of insights since for multiple years. So in this context, I will now like to ask you, what are the basic features, by taking into consideration all these aspects, what are the basic features of this program, sir?
So coming to the features, right? It has been designed keeping in mind whatever the Ashish sir has been telling now, right? So the same things which we have been observing among the successful aspirant, that has been kept as the ingredient or the philosophy behind this program. So how this program has been designed. So if you look at the timetable, for before starting of every examination or the mains test, there will be an orientation, the session by the subject expert of that particular subject, and he will be talking about how the PYQs have been there, what are the important themes, how you are supposed to make notes. After that, the each smaller subject has been divided into multiple parts, so that let's say I know art and culture, if you look at the timetable, has been divided into two tests, so that you get plenty of time. Correct. To prepare that notes as well. Also, understand the PYQ and making your preparation in a comprehensive way. So once you do that, after writing the test also, there will be a discussion, so that even if you have missed something during your preparation, that can be added over there. So that is the next thing. Along with that, the same test, once it is gets over, you will have a prelims test based on the same topic, so that your prelims and mains are going hand in hand. So that is your third part. So and once entire subjects get over, then the entire, let's say paper one ka, art and culture, modern India, then post independent, geography, society, like that individual tests will be there. Once that entire test gets over, then there will be a revision test of entire GS1 before we move to GS2. Because of this, the 2 time revision happens before you go to the next subject. Now the second most important thing that we have to observe is, as you have told, essay and ethics plays a crucial role in the success of any candidate, because that will become the outliers in the essay and ethics when scores are considered, because GS1, GS2, GS3 are more or less a level playing field, and the scores will be in that range, right? Now when you come to GS4 as well, that is ethics as well as essay, what we have divided, in every week there will be one essay test as well as one ethics test. So you are writing it rather than working more on content. Here it is more about writing and improvising yourself. So more you practice on a regular basis, and then the essay and the ethics session will be there. So because of that, you will on the answer writing skills will improve, your content will improve, real life example will be added, so that will be making a much better competitor with those subjects. That will be another idea that has been kept. And as we have also discussed in the previous videos, the CSAT, current affairs, those things also have been added. Along with that, the prelims as well as the mains, separate mentors has been allotted, which is usually mentors will guide about prelims also, mains also, who have not cleared a number of prelims, but they will be very good at mains. They will be guiding only about main. Someone who will be regularly clear the prelims will be clearing you about the prelims, so that you get a different approach for both prelims and mains. That will also be very helpful in your preparation, sir. So if you want to add anything, please add.
Yes, sir. The final words. Actually, for UPSC, you need to be very consistent, dedicated, and strategic. And to answer all these three things, there is only one solution, sir. That is none other than Insights Core Batch. This is all from my side, viewers. And we hope to see you at Insights Core Batch. Thank you, aspirants.
Thank you.